To add product variants to your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Products section. Click on the product you want to add variants to, or create a new product by clicking the Add Product button. In the Product Details page, click on the Variants section. If you don't see the Variants section, click on the More Actions drop-down and select Edit Product. In the Variants section, click the Add Variant button. You will be prompted to enter the variant details, including the option name, option values, and pricing information. For example, if you are selling t-shirts, your option name could be size and your option values could be small, medium, and large. You can also add a SKU, barcode, and weight to each variant. Once you have entered the variant details, click the Save button to create the variant. You can add multiple variants to a product by repeating this process. To organize your variants, you can use options and option sets. Options are the characteristics of a product, such as size or color, and option sets are the specific values for each option. For instance, you can create an option set for size with values small, medium, and large, and another option set for color with values red, blue, and green. You can then assign these option sets to your product variants. Best practices for adding product variants include using clear and descriptive option names and values, and keeping your variant pricing consistent. You should also make sure to test your variants to ensure they are working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add product variants to your Shopify store and provide your customers with more options and a better shopping experience.